Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're talking about making money, real, tangible income without even leaving your house. We're diving deep into proven methods to consistently make at least an extra $100 every single day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, is this another one of those get-rich-quick schemes? Absolutely not. This is about putting in the work, building sustainable income streams, and taking control of your financial future. We'll be breaking down 5 powerful strategies step by step, so you can start seeing results. So, grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the potential of earning $100 a day right from your home. First up, let's talk about freelancing. This is one of the most accessible ways to start generating income online. And the beauty of it is, you can leverage your existing skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are incredible places to start. These websites connect freelancers with clients all over the world. And the best part is, you set your own rates. Think about it, even if you just land a couple of gigs a week at $50 to $100 each, you're well on your way to hitting that $100 a day goal. Highlight your skills, showcase your past work, and don't be afraid to start with competitive pricing to attract those first few clients. Remember, positive reviews and testimonials are gold in the freelance world, so always over-deliver and provide exceptional service. Freelancing offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world, on your own schedule. Next, let's dive into the exciting world of digital products. Imagine creating something once, whether it's an insightful ebook, a comprehensive online course, or even eye-catching design templates, and selling it over and over again. That's the beauty of digital products. Once you've created your product, it can generate income for you around the clock, even while you sleep. The key here is to identify a problem you can solve or a need you can fulfill within a specific niche. What knowledge or skills do you have that others would be willing to pay for? Once you've identified your niche, it's all about crafting a high-quality product that provides real value. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Podia make it incredibly easy to create, market, and sell your digital products to a global audience. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, a powerful strategy that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. It's like being a digital salesperson, but you don't have to handle any of the customer service or fulfillment. Here's how it works. You find a product you love, sign up for their affiliate program, and then share your unique affiliate link with your audience. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The key to success with affiliate marketing is authenticity and providing value to your audience. Focus on products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your niche. Build trust with your audience by providing honest reviews, helpful tutorials, or insightful comparisons. Let's move on to 2 incredibly powerful platforms that can help you unlock serious income potential: blogging and YouTube. These platforms allow you to share your passions, expertise, and creativity with the world while monetizing your content. Blogging offers a fantastic avenue for those who love to write, share stories, or provide in-depth information on a particular topic. The key here is consistency and providing valuable content that keeps your readers coming back for more. YouTube, on the other hand, is perfect for those who thrive in front of the camera. The key to success on both platforms is to find your niche, create high-quality content, and be consistent with your posting schedule. When it comes to monetization, there are several avenues you can explore, from display advertising to affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Last but not least, let's explore the world of dropshipping. This business model has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It offers a low-risk, low-cost way to start an online store without having to handle any inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, find suppliers who offer dropshipping services, and list their products on your store at a markup. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles the packaging and shipping directly to the customer. The key to success with dropshipping lies in finding reliable suppliers, offering high-demand products, and providing excellent customer service. Even though you're not handling the shipping yourself, you're still responsible for the customer experience. There you have it, 5 proven methods to start generating an extra $100 a day, all from the comfort of your own home. Remember, the key to success with any of these methods is to take action, stay consistent, and never stop learning. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments below which method you're most excited to try. Now go out there and start building your dream income stream.